Welcome guys to another weekly update. This one is dated the 7th of May 2023 and what an update we have for you. The app's out, it's great, but first of all we'll go through the correct format and we'll do Deeper Network tweets. So Deeper Network do this bi-monthly thing, so every 2 weeks they do like a report that just tells you what they brought out and what they haven't, or what they're working on. And they released theirs, so about the Air, the new firmware and the bug bounty program where you get paid to report bugs. You know, pretty standard stuff. Other than that, there's not really that much going on with them. So they've released a testimonial that's from Druidrick1, and he's basically saying he's had it for 2 years and it's really, really good, and he loves it, and he watches Netflix. You know, what we use our devices for. And we also have a testimonial from Steve T, and he's basically saying he's got a Pico that's been running for a year now, no issues with the support team. DPN is great, and my Pico rewards me every day with DPR. No downsides for running a deeper DPN, which is really good. So this is the kind of positive thing that we want for deeper, because it increases the exposure, increases the social media presence. It's just great. Okay, so now let's get on to Eric Ma. Eric Ma's tweeted a few little things here and there. Don't forget you get 5% off by using the discount code DeeperNaut on the Deeper store. Helps me, helps channel, and blah 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 blah. Right, okay, so first tweet, there was a guy called Mr. Ratkovic, I think I pronounced that right, Nemanja Ratkovic, and he basically says Netflix are now using third party DNS domains, so you've got to basically add all of them to the smart route. I use full route, however Netflix is kind of trying to get rid of that by bringing in a company, I can't remember the name of them, but they do try and stop the whole geolocation thing. And Eric Ma just says the new app relocator feature that's coming out should make it easier. Yeah, so I can't remember what it is, but as long as you keep your Deeper device in full route for the Netflix, or you find out what their DNS names are and add them to the smart route, Netflix shouldn't be able to tell that you're not actually where you are or where you're supposed to be. So it does still work, but it's harder now. Hopefully the app relocator will sort that out. And lastly from Eric Ma is the Pepe thing. Now, I thought I'd bring this up because there are quite a few scams. DPI isn't immune to it. I get messages every so often on Discord and Twitter and stuff like that saying, oh, we're going to give you an airdrop. Please go to this weird, dodgy as hell website and sign up with your wallet. And it's like, nah. No. Pepe is pretty crazy. I don't understand it. I haven't had time to look into it. But if you get any kind of messages saying, look, you've got to take this airdrop. If you don't do it within the next 24 hours, well, your airdrop will go and you won't get your money and your crypto. That's probably a scam. Check in with Discord. Check in with Deeper. They should never, ever pressure you into doing something like that. Okay, so just be really, really careful. And that is pretty much it from Eric Ma. Alright then, let's get on with the token price. And don't forget, once we get to 500 subs, we're going to give away a mini SE. And the token has done okay, I suppose. I mean, it did start off at 0.0073 at the start of the week, and it's now dropped down to 0.007. So we've gone down 0.0003. And yeah, not great. However, if you look at the ranks, we've only actually lost one rank. So we haven't done that bad in comparison to the rest of the cryptos on CMC. I think, well, I would like to hope that the news I'm going to give you next is going to pump that and get the token price higher. But yeah, token price has been going down for a while. It is going to go back up, I'm pretty sure, not financial advice. However, we've just got to wait and see. Alright, so let's get on with the news. I'm not sure I like this little graphic, but yeah, it's alright. So the app was meant to be coming out, what was it, the end of April? And well, it's out. It was only 7 days late and good reviews so far. It's really impressive. So you go to the website, the link is in the description below, and then you sign up for an account, and then you download the app which you need. So Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, Intel, Mac OS, Android, which is the new chips that I've got, and then Linux. Now you go on to register and you make an account, so you put your email address in, you do your verification code, just like you do on the staking website, you put your passwords in and then click register. And once you have that account set up and you've verified it, you can then download what you need, and then you can log in using the details that you've just made. So on your Android phone, you would install it, and then you'd log in and you can use it, and it's pretty cool. I like it. I've got it on my Mac now. I'm just downloading it. I've got it on my iPhone. Now I used my iPhone because I got told about this late last night, and I downloaded it. And honestly, it's really good. I installed it. It was easy enough. I then went full route, did a speed check, and I was in a 5G area, and I got 500 megabytes per second on full route. You don't get that with the Deeper devices. I mean, that is amazing. So the link will be in the description below, and thank you for watching. I've got to shoot off, and I'll see you on the next one on Friday. Thanks guys. Bye bye.